This is the first generation to feel the impacts of climate change, but we're also the last generation that can do anything about it.
Climate change is real. It's happening because of burning fossil fuels and destroying forests, and we must change the way that we do things. If we don't, extreme weather, heat waves and rising sea levels are going to make life on Earth impossible for billions of people.
Farmers have always been adaptable, but we can't deal with the extremes that nature's throwing at us now. It's time to do something.
This election day, I'm going to be voting for a safer climate.
I'm going to be voting for someone who can deliver a safe climate.
I'll be voting for a safe climate.
Come election day, I'm going to vote for a safe climate.
I'll be using my vote to create a safe climate.
We've got all the tools we need in order to act on climate change. The only missing piece of the puzzle is political will. So, and there's upcoming elections. For the love of God, or the love of the planet, or the love of your family, vote for a safe climate.